patrons. Today we're going to talk about being yourself. Being yourself, that is, who God intended you to be. Now, if you're a spouse, if you're a mother, if you're a daughter, a sister, a neighbor, a friend, a cousin, an aunt, it doesn't matter what role you play or what role you fill, really. It matters that you're balanced in yourself, that you are who you are no matter what. So that if for some reason you become a widow or divorced or you move to a different place or something major changes in your life, you don't change. Think now of the women that you've known who've changed because their circumstances changed. That's unnecessary. And if they've changed for the better, what a waste. Change for the better now. It might just improve your marriage. Change for the better today. It'll improve your role. You'll be a better mother, a better wife, a better neighbor, a better sister, a better daughter, a better aunt, a better employee by becoming the whole you right now. How do you do that? Well, you start by loving yourself and finding out who you are. A lot of us don't even know who we are. So find out who you are and what you think about things. Not what your spouse thinks about things, not what your kids think about things, if you have adult kids, not what your employee thinks about things. What do you really think about things? What do you think politically? What do you think religiously? What do you think just in the terms of your mindset? You know, what do you really feel? Who are you? Okay, so I want you to think about that today. This is going to be a really short video, but I think a very intense and powerful video, that you decide who you are right now and start being that person. Who did you always want to be? Who are you capable of being? You know, so just because you're wearing a certain hat doesn't mean you can't be a different person. I want you to think about that, and I want you to really think about women that you've known who had become widowed and became weak or strong or happy or sad or divorced, you know, the same set of emotions. Instead, do you know any women who were the same no matter what? Almost always those women are powerful women, quietly powerful women. That does not mean that you're out there busting through walls, right? It just means that you have a power of knowing who you are, a power of being in charge of yourself. And that makes a huge difference in your forever. It does. And you're forever here as long as you're alive anyway. It makes a difference. So think about that. And while you're at it, make sure you're the CEO of your home. That's a power position. Make sure that you are firm but kind. Being kind is also powerful. Being firm is powerful, but being kind is powerful. Make sure that you're clutter checking. That's a power position for yourself and for your family. Make sure that you are inspecting what you expect. That's a power position. In the beginning, when I first started mentoring women, I was shocked to discover that so many women were waiting on their spouse to tell them what to do and were unhappy with what their husbands were telling them to do because their husband was just trying to help because she wasn't doing it. She wasn't making the decision. I was shocked at how many people were that way. Please don't be one of those women. Your husband doesn't want to do that, honestly. He's got plenty to do in his own roles. Your role is to be the power center of your home. So take it back. If you've given it away, take it back little by little, step by step. Become who you're supposed to be, that balanced, strong, happy, confident woman. I believe in you. I know you can do it. Have a beautiful day, and remember to be beautiful because you are beautiful.